Hi students, many times you will receive files from people who don't use Civil 3D as their design platform. When these files are opened for the first time in Civil 3D, the template will create standard settings and style. For this reason, opening a file within Civil 3D, when accessing the setting tab of tool space, you will see that for each of object a standard style is defined. This style is created for the both object and labels and define all of its properties using layer 0. For example, I have simple AutoCAD file. When you will open that, then if you want to create your surface, then you can see here we have just standard style for the surface and there is no style for surface. It's same for each object here, alignment, feature line, sides, everything you will find standard. So how to deal with this situation we will discuss in this exercise. There will be no specific layer defined since all of them will be set to layer 0. So any Civil 3D object when you create in this drawing will be placed by default in that layer. Now we will learn in this section about our features that allows you to import the setting and style from a template, taking away all of the hassle of redefining the data of every drawing in Civil 3D. So it's the best practice for receiving a non-Civil 3D drawing. You can say someone or you can download a drawing that was not done in Civil 3D. Perhaps it was exported from a non-AutoCAD based product or created in an outdated civil drafting program. You now have the task to create Civil 3D objects, but making this task even more difficult is that there are no Civil 3D styles present as you can see here in our drawing. Perhaps the drawing was created in Civil 3D but your organization style look completely different. The best course of action to take when receiving an outside drawing is to insert it into a blank file that you started using your Civil 3D template. When you insert a drawing, Civil 3D does several things to help you. The first one, the insert command detects the units of the incoming drawing and scale it to match your drawing. If both drawings have coordinate system defined, Civil 3D place the incoming drawing by geographic data. All of your styles and setting remain intact. In this exercise 1.4, we will exercise about this situation. Now open any new drawing. It's actually new template of Civil 3D. Go to new, then drawing, and click any one here, imperial or metric as you want, and click open. Okay, or you can also open any drawing from here, it's not matter. Now click the save icon from the quick access bar. I can press Ctrl S and you can save this drawing. Save. Okay, now go to insert tab of the ribbon. I will insert any CAD file in this AutoCAD Civil 3D drawing. Then you will see options here will be changed standard to Civil 3D objects. So go to insert and in there we have more options. In the insert dialog box, click browse and locate the file 104 my 3D file. I will put this drawing in the description link. You can take from here also. Be sure that the insertion point, scale and rotation should be clear. It should not check here. Now select the explode checkbox. Your insert dialog box. Notice that the AutoCAD has picked up the units of this file here automatically. Now click OK. Using the zoom command, expand the view to extend to see the result. You can check the resulting here on surface. When you will create your surface, now you can see we have all style of Civil 3D, and we can go with this for Civil 3D objects. At this point, you can now work on drawing in Civil 3D without recreating any established standard. Everything from the outside source has come in, including blocks, layers, and dimension styles, but they will not override any of your block layers or style if they happen to have the same name. So you must need to keep in mind that if the drawing are in different coordinate system, the previously mentioned workflow will not deliver the desired result. For those cases, the workflow is different and they involve the use of AutoCAD map tool. So in this video, you can see how we solve this issue when we get any AutoCAD file and want to work in Civil 3D.